Craft Petrotech here with another video in our thread type series. Today talking about EUE 8 round, super common thread. So EUE stands for external upset end. So that's either end of that joint is going to be slightly wider on the outer diameter. So when you cut those threads into it, you're not going to sacrifice strength. And that's where the name EUE comes from. It stands for external upset end. Here this is a male or pin end, and you're going to have 8 threads per measured inch of this pin end. That's where you get the 8 round from. And you're going to connect these joints together with the coupler. You're going to have an internally threaded coupler or collar. So as you add joints together, you're just going to screw the pin end into the coupler end and tighten it until you reach your optimum torque. You're going to get a collar usually pre-installed and torqued from the factory. So you're going to see that in the field quite often. And this is an interference type thread. So that's the valley and ridge of the opposing threads are going to mechanically interact with each other and create that mechanical connection. But they do, however, need sealant to create the hydraulic seal and to resist galling and have proper sealing characteristics at certain temperatures. And so both the pipe dope and the actual thread specification itself for the EUE 8 round is going to be specified by API, and that's where you're going to get your technical information from. If you need information about this thread, your manufacturer will definitely be able to provide that. The specific characteristics if you ever need that. And here we have a cross section. This is actually a corroded piece of pipe that was pulled out of the ground, just to show you the durability of this thread type. It's really quite common for a reason. It's relatively inexpensive and it's predictable and durable under most operating conditions. And when installed properly, it can give you years of good quality service from a relatively inexpensive and very common joint. Thanks for joining.